Hello students, welcome all of you. In this video, I Abhay Kumar going to discuss electrostatic potential and potential difference, that is part 2 of chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance for class 12 physics. First of all, we have to discuss electrostatic potential or electric potential. Electrostatic potential is that property of a charged conductor or a charged body which determines the direction of flow of electric charge between two charged conductors connected to each other. That is, electric potential determines the degree of electrification of a body. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल किसी चार्ज बॉडी का या किसी चार्ज कंडक्टर का वह प्रॉपर्टी है जो एक कंडक्टर से दूसरे कंडक्टर में और वन चार्ज बॉडी से दूसरे चार्ज बॉडी में इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज के फ्लो के डायरेक्शन को डिटरमाइन करता है, निर्धारित करता है। जब दो चार्ज कंडक्टर्स और दो चार्ज बॉडीज आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर, यदि टू चार्ज कंडक्टर्स डिफरेंट जिन पर डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेज हों तो उन दोनों कंडक्टर्स को एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करने पर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का फ्लो अधिक चार्ज वाले कंडक्टर से, दैट इज उस कंडक्टर पर जिस पर मोर चार्ज है, दूसरे कंडक्टर जिस पर लेस चार्ज है उसकी ओर होगा। मतलब अधिक चार्ज वाले कंडक्टर से कम चार्ज वाले कंडक्टर की ओर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का फ्लो होगा। जिस कंडक्टर पर मोर चार्ज होगा, अधिक चार्ज होगा, उसको हाई पोटेंशियल पर कहा जाएगा, तथा जिस दूसरे कंडक्टर पर जो कि पहले कंडक्टर के कांटेक्ट में है, पहले चार्ज कंडक्टर के कांटेक्ट में है, तो उस दूसरे कंडक्टर पर अगर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का मैग्नीट्यूड कम है, दैट इज लेस चार्ज है, तो उस सिचुएशन में उस कंडक्टर को लो पोटेंशियल पर कहा जाएगा। मतलब उस कंडक्टर का पोटेंशियल लो होगा जिस पर चार्ज लेस होगा, तथा जिस कंडक्टर पर चार्ज अधिक होगा उसको हाई पोटेंशियल पर कहा जाएगा। दैट इज द कंडक्टर हैज मोर चार्ज is said to be at high potential and that conductor which has less charge is said to be at lower potential. Therefore, electrostatic potential is similar to the physical quantity temperature in thermodynamics, which determines the direction of heat flow between two bodies in thermal contact. इस प्रकार इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल को हम थर्मोडायनामिक्स में फिजिकल क्वांटिटी टेम्परेचर के सिमिलर मान सकते हैं, क्योंकि टेम्परेचर टू डिफरेंट बॉडीज जो थर्मल कांटेक्ट में होते हैं अलग अलग टेम्परेचर्स पर, तो उनके बीच हीट फ्लो के डायरेक्शन को डिटरमाइन करता है टेम्परेचर। एक बॉडी से दूसरे बॉडी में हीट का फ्लो हमेशा हाई टेम्परेचर वाले बॉडी से लो टेम्परेचर वाले बॉडी की ओर होता है। उसी ढंग से इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का फ्लो भी अधिक चार्ज वाले कंडक्टर से कम चार्ज वाले कंडक्टर की ओर होता है। नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द टेस्ट चार्ज प्लेस्ड इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल का या इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल का कि इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है तथा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखे गए किसी टेस्ट चार्ज पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है। दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखे गए किसी टेस्ट चार्ज पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है, यह इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पर डिपेंड करता है। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज ओनली डिपेंड्स ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज डज नॉट डिपेंड on the size of a conductor and the magnitude of charge present on the conductor. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज का फ्लो केवल इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल पर डिपेंड करता है, न कि किसी चार्ज बॉडी या किसी चार्ज कंडक्टर के साइज पर तथा मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज उस कंडक्टर पर कितना होगा इस पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है। हीट फ्लो केवल इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल पर डिपेंड करता है। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल कैपिटल V. नाउ we can define electrostatic potential mathematically, that is electrostatic potential at a point in the electric field of a source charge, say Q, is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive test charge, that is +1 coulomb charge, from infinity, that is very large distance, to that point inside the electric field of that charge, means source charge. I am repeating the definition of electrostatic potential. Again, write down it. Electrostatic potential at a point in the electric field of a source charge is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive test charge, that is +1 coulomb +1 C, from infinity to that point inside the electric field. This is the definition of electrostatic potential. Now expression for electrostatic potential. If W be the amount of work done in taking positive charge plus Q0 from infinity, that is from very large distance, at any point A inside the electric field of the source charge plus Q0, then there will be work done against the repulsion force of the electric field of the source charge plus Q. So if W be the amount of work done in taking positive test charge plus Q0 from infinity, that is very large distance, to any point capital A, say capital A, inside the electric field of the source charge plus q, then from the definition of the electrostatic potential at any point, say that point is A, is work done per unit positive test charge at that point. That is electrostatic potential at point A, that is V at A. In symbol it can be written as capital V at point A, तो A को सफिक्स में रखना होगा, तो VA is the electrostatic potential at point P and it is equal to the work done per unit positive test charge, that is W upon Q naught. Since work done in taking charge plus Q naught from infinity to point A is W, therefore if plus 1 coulomb charge or plus 1 microcoulomb charge is taken from, which is unit charge, is taken from infinity to point A, then work done will be in that case equals to W upon Q naught. क्योंकि जब पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज प्लस Q0 को इन्फिनिटी से पॉइंट ए तक, जो कि सोर्स चार्ज प्लस Q के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में है पॉइंट ए, तो वहाँ तक पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज प्लस Q0 को लाने में वर्क डन W है, तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल के डिफिनीशन से यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज को, दैट इज प्लस 1 माइक्रोकूलम्ब को या प्लस 1 कूलम्ब को इन्फिनिटी से पॉइंट ए तक लाने में जितना वर्क डन करना होगा, वह वर्क डन कितना होगा, W अपॉन Q नॉट. और यह सोर्स चार्ज प्लस Q के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में सिचुएटेड पॉइंट ए पर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल होगा, जिसे हमने सिंबल कैपिटल V एट ए, पॉइंट ए द्वारा डिनोट किया है. तो V एट ए इक्वल टू W अपॉन Q नॉट, दैट इज वर्क डन अपॉन टेस्ट चार्ज. Now work done is equal to the scalar product of force and displacement. Here force is electrostatic force which is experienced by the positive test charge plus Q naught due to the source charge plus Q. So in the integral form, that is in form of definite integration, work done can be expressed as, or electrostatic potential at point A is VA equals to W infinity to A. W can be written as W infinity to A because positive test charge plus Q0 is taken from infinity to point A. In that case, that work done can be represented as W infinity to A upon Q naught, and W infinity to A in form of definite integral can be written as integral infinity, lower limit infinity to upper limit point A, and work done is equal to a scalar product of force and displacement. So it is, and for electrostatic force experienced by the test charge plus Q0 is Q naught into E. Here work done is against the electric field or electrostatic force of the source charge plus Q. So minus sign is taken, and it is electrostatic force is Q naught into E. Q naught can be taken out of the integral because it is constant, and therefore inside the integral it is E vector, capital E vector, which is the electric field, dot dr vector. Dr vector is the small displacement between infinity to point A. So this is work done. W infinity to A can be written as minus Q naught integral infinity to A capital E vector dot, which is the scalar product, dot dr vector upon Q naught. Q naught and Q naught in the denominator and numerator will cancel out. Numerator denominator में Q naught cancel हो गया. Therefore electrostatic potential at point A inside the electric field of the source charge plus Q is finally V at A equals to minus infinity to A integral infinity to A E vector dot dr vector. Infinity to a E vector dot dr vector is the line integral of electric field, that is capital E vector, between infinity to point A. So this different integral infinity to a E vector dot dr vector is the line integral of electric field between infinity to point A. So electrostatic potential at point A is negative line integral of electric field between infinity to point A. This is the final expression for electrostatic potential at any point, that is at point A inside the electric field of source charge plus Q. This is equation number 2. Now units of electrostatic potential. Number 1, SI unit of electrostatic potential is joule per coulomb, Jc minus 1, or volt, after the name of the Italian scientist Volta. So SI unit of electrostatic or electric potential is volt, which is equal to joule per coulomb. 1 volt is 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. If 1 joule, that is 1 J, work is done in moving 1 coulomb charge from infinity to any point, say A, inside the electric field of a source charge, say Q, then electrostatic potential at that point is said to be 1 volt. अगर 1 coulomb चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में किसी पॉइंट तक लाने में वर्क डन 1 जूल मैग्नीट्यूड का किया गया, तो उस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल 1 वोल्ट होगा. तो दिस इज द डिफिनीशन ऑफ 1 वोल्ट electrostatic potential at a point. So SI unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb, but it is commonly known as volt, and it is denoted by the symbol capital V. And 1 volt is equals to 1 joule 1 J upon 1 C. Now CGS unit of electric potential is a stat volt. CGS unit of electric potential is a stat volt, a stat STAT, a stat volt. 1 stat volt रिलेटेड होता है वोल्ट से इक्वल्स टू 300 वोल्ट, 300 वोल्ट और 300 V. Volt is denoted by the symbol capital V. Since 1 volt equals to 1 by 300 stat volt, therefore 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt. Now dimensional formula of electric potential. Dimensional formula of electric potential is equal to the dimensional formula of work by dimensional formula of charge. We can obtain the dimensional formula of electric potential. which is equals to under bracket ml to the power 2 t minus 3 capital A minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of electrostatic potential, which is under bracket capital M L to the power 2 t minus 3 A minus capital A minus 1. Now we have to discuss electrostatic potential difference. Electrostatic potential difference between any 2 points, say capital A and capital B in figure 2, in the electric field of a source charge, say plus Q, situated at point O, is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive test charge, that is plus 1 coulomb, from one point, say A to another point B, against the electric field or electrostatic force of the source charge plus Q. I am repeating this definition of electrostatic potential difference again. You can write down electrostatic potential difference between any two points in the electric field of a source charge is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive test charge from one point to another point against the electric field or electric force of the source charge. If W be the amount of work done in moving a positive test charge, say plus Q0, from point A to point B inside the electric field of the source charge plus Q, that is W be the amount of work done in moving a positive test charge plus Q0 from point A to point B inside the electric field of the source charge plus Q against the electric field or electrostatic force of source charge plus Q, then direction of electric field is along the direction of electric force, which is shown in figure. Plus Q charge, that is source charge plus Q, will repel this positive test charge plus Q0, and in moving this positive test charge plus Q0 from point A to point B, there will be work done against the electrostatic force of source charge plus Q. Then potential difference between 2 points A and B can be written as VB minus VA, that is potential at B, that is potential of the second point, that is VB, minus potential of the first point, that is VA, from which the body is taken from the first point A to the second point or another point B. Therefore, potential difference is equal to potential of the second point, that is VB, minus potential of the first point. First point here is capital A, so potential at point A is VA. So potential difference is VB minus VA, and from the definition it is equal to work done per unit charge. Unit पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज प्लस 1 कूलम को पॉइंट ए से बी तक लाने में सोर्स चार्ज प्लस क्यू के इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एफ के अगेंस्ट जितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा वह वर्क डन बोथ पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी के बीच पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनीशन. सो वी बी माइनस वी ए दैट इज पी डी बिटवीन 2 points A and B is work done W from A to B, WAB, work done between from point A, work done in moving positive test charge plus Q0 from point A to point B can be written as WAB upon Q0. टेस्ट चार्ज से डिवाइड करना होगा इस वर्क डन WAB में. तो यूनिट चार्ज को पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी में सोर्स चार्ज प्लस क्यू के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में लाने में वर्क डन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा पॉइंट ए तथा पॉइंट बी के बीच में, दैट इज वी बी माइनस वी ए इक्वल टू WAB अपॉन Q0. एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट फार्मूला, फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Now WAB can be written as in the integral form, in the different integral form, that is WAB can be expressed as minus Q0 integration A to B, lower limit is A, upper limit is B, point B, E vector dot dr vector. Work done in moving the positive test charge plus Q0 from point A to point B against the electrostatic force of the source charge is minus Q0 into E vector, where Q0 into E vector, that is positive test charge Q0 multiplied by electric field, is the force experienced by the positive test charge plus Q0. Since work done is equal to the scalar product of force and displacement, here force is electrostatic force which is Fe, capital Fe vector, which is equal to the force experienced by the positive test charge Q0. So it is equal to Fe is equal to Q0 into E vector, and Q0 is constant, so it is taken out of the integration. So it is minus Q0 integral, different integral, symbol of integration A to B E vector dot dr vector, and dr vector is the displacement from A to B. Distance between 2 points A and B is dr. So dr vector is the displacement of the positive test charge Q0 from point A to point B. Therefore, VB potential difference between 2 points, that is A and B, is VB minus VA equals to minus Q0 integral A to B E vector dot dr vector divided by Q0. अब यहाँ पर फिर Q0 और Q0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और कैंसिल हो करके फाइनली हम इसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं VB माइनस VA इक्वल्स टू माइनस VB माइनस VA इक्वल्स टू माइनस Q0 A to B इंटीग्रल A to B E vector dot dr vector upon Q0. Q0 and Q0 will cancel out in the numerator and denominator, and then finally potential difference between 2 points A and B is VB minus VA equals to minus, that is negative integral A to B, lower limit A, upper limit point B, E vector dot dr vector, that is negative minus A to B E vector dot dr vector is the line integral of electric field E vector, capital E vector, between points A and B. So potential difference between 2 points is equal to negative line integral of electric field between 2 points A and B inside the electric field of source charge plus Q. This is the second equation of potential, second expression for electrostatic potential difference, which is VB minus VA equals to minus integral A to B capital E vector dot dr vector, that is negative line integral of electric field between points A and B. This is the second formula or second expression of electrostatic potential difference between 2 points A and B. First expression for electrostatic potential difference between point A and B was VB minus VA is equal to WAB upon Q naught. Now SI unit of electrostatic potential difference is also joule per coulomb or volt, similar to electrostatic potential, and dimensional formula of electrostatic potential difference is also same to that of the electrostatic potential, that is dimensional formula of electrostatic potential equals to under bracket capital M L to the power 2 T minus 3 capital A minus 1, and SI unit of electrostatic potential difference is volt, after the name of an Italian scientist Volta, and CGS unit of electrostatic potential is a stat volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 by 300 a stat volt, that is 1 stat volt is equal to 300 volt. That is the relation between volt and a stat volt. Now this video is concluded. यह वीडियो अब पूरा होता है. I think all of you are able to understand this topic. Thank you very much.